what is the EB-5? Who is that like a good option for? Because it is taking 4 years to process the initial petition. What's the EB-5 visa and who's it a good fit for?
I think I might have done the first EB-5 out of Latin America. It was 2006, and it got approved in 4 months.
That's awesome.
And then they got their green card, I think 5 or 6 months later. It was less than a year. Now you're looking at 5 years if you're outside the US, and your money is tied up for years and years until you get a conditional green card, and then maybe you get the money back after you remove those conditions, which could be another 2 years. You're looking at almost a decade for this whole thing for you to get your permanent green card. It's outrageous. So I don't think it's a wonderful option for people. I think it's an option for people that are maybe outside the US and have to live in the US 5, 6, 7 years down the road or more, that are not in a rush and that have a disposable income or assets that they don't have to think about. And at $800,000, for one that's within a regional center, for example, or in one of these TEAs where they're targeting, more employment, it's still a really long time to have your money tied up. If you're in the United States, I think that you could probably still extend your visas because of what you said, because of that sort of nuance about EB-5. But the question is, how long do you really want to wait? So you could build, believe it or not, with our Chinese clients, we've done this, and a few Indian clients, we've had them set up a foreign company, invest the same amount of money into building a business, create a subsidiary, get on the payroll, and then the foreign company, and a year later transfer, build the US side, make a lot of money on the businesses that they already have, and then get an EB1 multinational executive green card in 3 years.
That's a creative approach, especially if you're already doing business between the two countries, and there's probably some way that you get the visa, and it's a great business opportunity for you.
Yeah, I think EB-5 straight is really for those folks, and there are some that are fortunate, not us, but some that are fortunate enough to be able to just move to Waikiki Beach and live there and do nothing and just be a tourist in between. They won't have any issues. But for 99% of our viewers and potential clients, they're interested in working.
They want to work, make money, and not just chill at the beach.
Right. So it's not the wonderful, golden visa like they used to call it that it once was.